First, let's remind you of the model. The GHTF model requires that all medical devices meet a set of criteria for safety and performance, known as the essential principles. The model is based on regulating medical devices in accordance with their risk profile. Accordingly, medical devices are grouped into 4 risk classes using a set of classification rules. In designing and producing a medical device, the manufacturer is required to apply a conformity assessment procedure, including the application of a quality management system for manufacture, which is intended to demonstrate compliance of the device with the essential principles. Once the device has been placed on the market, there are requirements for monitoring performance in the post-market phase. Essential principles are high-level regulatory product requirements for medical devices. The manufacturer shows compliance with the essential principles by reference to appropriate safety and performance standards or other defined and validated methods. The essential principles are the basis of the regulatory framework and other aspects, such as the conformity assessment processes intended to demonstrate compliance with the essential principles, and hence safety and performance of a medical device. Consistent quality of a medical device is achieved by application of a quality system for manufacture, which is required by the conformity assessment procedures. Firstly, essential principles are applicable to all devices independent of the risk class and generally not objective pass criteria. The manufacturer is required to demonstrate safety and performance, taking into account the generally acknowledged state-of-the-art, which is taken to be set by the relevant standards. These may be international or national standards where they exist. A manufacturer is considered to have demonstrated compliance with a particular essential principle if an acknowledged standard relating to the essential principle has been used, but the devices manufactured need to be within the scope of the standard and the clauses of the standard need to have been correctly applied. Other published standards may be used if they are relevant to the EP. A manufacturer may develop his own procedures for demonstrating compliance, but will need to make a technical argument that the procedures are equivalent to or better than a recognized standard in relation to his device. More information on the use of standards may be found in the GHTF document SG1 N44 2008, Role of Standards in the Assessment of Medical Devices.